Viseris is proud to bring you Hot Spot Plus Bio-Sanitation Foam, part of the Rockwell Labs InVade technology product line. Hot Spot Plus features four-way action with fast-acting enzymes, premium microbes, powerful citrus oil, and odor neutralization technology. For more information on Hot Spot Plus Biosanitation Foam, visit viseris.com and be sure to check out our online pro training course, Introduction to Large and Small Filth Flies. Like and subscribe to be notified when new videos are posted.